Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Recently, the National Commission, NCDRC, National Commission for Consumer Redressal Disputes Forum, awarded 2 crores for bad hair cutting in ITC MOURYA Salon, Delhi. Supreme Court held that this award is excessive, disproportionate, and the NCDRC fell in error. How and why these things happened? Can you get a compensation of 2 crores for bad hair cutting? Normally, we spend maximum 500 rupees for hair cutting. Okay. So if he is a cinema actor or something, he may be giving some, let us say 20,000. For 20,000, can he get 2 crores as compensation? It's awarded by NCDRC. They have given their own the explanation also, directions in the directions. So now, unless you go to the case, it's difficult to establish. Come on. Now let us go into the details of the case. You can read the case as this is ITC. ITC is definitely Imperial Tobacco Company. Presently, it's Indian Tobacco Company Limited versus Ashna Roy, AASHNE, Ashna Roy, in civil appeal number 6391 by 2021. This happened in the year 2018. So we have to go according to the provisions of the Consumer Protection Act 1986. So normally, whenever you file a consumer case before the forum, it will decide, number one, whether there is a deficiency in service or not. If there is a deficiency in the RRR formula, whether repair, replace or repay. So if the deficiency of service is there, definitely you have to repay. This is what happened. Of course, now the order has been set aside. So Ashma Roy, she is supposed to be a model. She is supposed to have done modeling in VLCC and Pantene also. She visited on which date? 12/4/2018. On 12/4/2018, she visited ITC Hotel Mourya, particularly the saloon she visited, where she used to have the hairdressing by Miss Alim. She was a professional hairstylist, and this woman, Ashna Roy, was habituated to get the haircut with her. But on that particular day, that is on 12/4/2018, she was not available. So the staff told that there is another new stylist by name Christine, and she will do very well. So, okay, obliged by this, she started for hairdressing, and she has given clear instructions regarding hair cutting as long flicks or long layers covering her face in the front. So, of course, I don't have hair. Long flicks to cover the hair in the front side. Then 4 inches straight haircut, right? Trimming from the bottom 4 inches. But it was done in a different way. Even though she was looking into the mirror, it looks different. And when she asked this Christine, she told that it is a London haircut, madam, very stylish haircut. After all the process was over, Ashma Roy was in utter shock. Because when she saw the stylist chopped her hair, leaving only 4 inches from the top and barely touching her shoulders. So the hair was not touching her shoulders. Normal ga kendaki jarali. Sir, avid instruction prakaram motaniki chala godav. She was completely shattered, and actually she went into depression. Okay, then after a few days, then she approached the hotel management. He approached the stylist, hair stylist, and because she was a little perturbed about the way in which the hairstyling was done. So actually she picked up a row with the concerned desk manager, the hotel manager, and they said that we are not concerned with your hairstyling. Ours is only hotel. That fellow, some fellow has taken it for hairdressing. They are responsible. Go and ask them. But this woman did not agree. The matter went up to the level of the hotel. That of course she has filed the case against Yogeshwar Deficiency, that is ITC chairman. Is a different thing. But even though the matter was brought, ultimately the ITC people, they agreed to do free haircut under the supervision of this the first stylist, LAM. Yes, Mr. Victor or somebody, another stylist, he has done the stylishing to her free of cost, and they applied ammonia. They applied something. For some days it was okay, but later she developed itching sensation, and once again she felt very bad. So on 3/5/2018, the second haircut was done. Okay, she went, she got it done. But during the treatment, her hair and scalp were completely damaged because of the application of bleaching or ammonia or in the treatment. So it caused a lot of irritation. Therefore, she filed a consumer complaint before the National Commissioner asking for the so-called compensation of 3 crores. 3 crores for the harassment, for the maltreatment, for the deficiency in service, and mental agony or mental trauma, because she lost her chances to become a model. She wanted to become the top model, but she could not do so. NCDRC agreed. And they felt that, please remember, it ordered 2 crores in September 2021. The order is importance of hair in life of a woman and emotions. They are and shattered her dream to be a top model. Come on, ITC, you pay 2 crores. So aggrieved by this, they have gone in appeal. So when NCDRC order has given, they have to go appeal before only the Supreme Court of India. For that, they have to deposit 50%. Here, they were allowed to deposit only 25 lakhs. Anyway, so the appeal has was taken before the Supreme Court. Supreme Court got one point. The woman could not produce any record saying that she was a famous model. She was in modeling field and she has acted in any ads and other things. So suppose if she acted in VLCC or in Pantene, she should produce at least the recitals or the newspaper cuttings, but they were not done. So no record her modeling career was produced. Therefore, it is very difficult to assess or to quantify the compensation. That's why I always have been telling you, unliquidated damages. So 2 crores is excessive and disproportionate. NCDRC fell in error. Orders of NCDRC are set aside. But what is the result? So Supreme Court once again ordered the NCDRC to consider the plea afresh, asking this woman to adduce evidence with regarding to her model career. Then they can take a decision. Oh, very good decision by Honorable Supreme Court of India. Friends, law of tort students, you must know this case. Of course, when the Consumer Protection Act comes, I will explain you in detail. For the present, I am stopping. Thank you very much.